Okay. Yeah, no? And then, this one, you can see this one, this leaf. Ito yung pinagkainan niya, oh. Kinain niya yan. So, saan nabubuhay ang caterpillar? Kumakain ng mga dahon. Okay. At para hindi nyo mahalata kung may caterpillar dyan, parang akala mo dahon dahil green na green, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ganyan ang kulay niya. Halos hindi mo makita kung there is an insect dito, no? Anong tawag natin dito?
Caterpillar.
This later on will become what?
Butterfly.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay.
Adi may sa tituksukan. Kaya tituktuk. Gini. Ay, di dyan eh. Gini. Dapat may sapti ka. Gini.
This is a caterpillar. Pag nag-mature ito, it will turn out into a butterfly. So, you call this caterpillar, which will become later on as butterfly. Alam na? Ha? So, huwag niyong patayin, ha?
Yes, sir.
Kasi later on, magiging anong butterfly sa Filipino? Oh, this is another caterpillar.
Dapat may sa gisar na, di ka pudawan.
Nasaan? So I'm with the kids and then I'm explaining to them that this caterpillar will soon turn to be a butterfly. So from this plant we have seen several caterpillars, and we are explaining to the kids, to these young boys and young girls, that these caterpillars soon shall become as butterflies.